Bhai sahab, ready lo khoyo?
Yeah, ready.
Ready? Hello everyone.
বাতিজা নতুন ঘর নিবা
জি ভাই সাহেব, এটা নতুন সিঙ্গেল ফ্যামিলি হাউস আমরা মাত্র লিস্ট করলাম। ফুলি ডিট্যাচ 3 bedroom duplex with separate basement, separate entrance, private driveway. দেখতানি ঘর আইকা। Walk through the front door and feel it. A spacious living room that welcomes you. A formal dining area right alongside it. This home was designed for family. The renovated kitchen is ready for your Sunday morning breakfast or big family dinner. This kitchen is ready for it all. And right here on the first floor, a full bathroom. Head upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Space for everyone. Room to breathe, room to grow. And then you have finished attic. Extra space that most homes in this price range simply don't have. Now let's talk about the basement. Fully finished with its own separate entrance. This isn't just storage space. This is flexibility. This is extended family having their own privacy. এখন তো গড় দেখলা আইকা অফিসে গিয়া বইয়া মাতি কিলা আপনার গড়টা লইয়া দেওয়া যায়।